Welcome to My Job Hats. The best quality hats online.
My Job hats can be worn, displayed in your office, family room, man cave, garage, or virtually anywhere you choose.
Having a complete collection on display is a great way for you and others to reflect on your journey through all the positions you held.
It can also be a great way to highlight that special dream job you want to achieve.
Also a great gift for that special someone.
At My Job Hats, we are dedicated to helping you get the most out of every moment.
Forged upon the fundamentals of hard work, risk-taking, and listening to our customers.
It's through our relentless pursuit of innovation that we've become what we are today.
We imagine, develop and create extraordinary hats that enhance life on the go and protect what matters most.
They allow people to enjoy more extraordinary moments, and everyday ones too, without worry.
Everything about My Job Hats revolves around our commitment to help you look your best and inspire confidence in you.
Explore our collection by visiting the official website at myjobhats.com.
Join our affiliate program and become our partner. Get 20% commission on total referral sales when a customer makes a purchase through your affiliate link or use your coupon code.